Hey there, we're inside my closet in my office. I did want to get it organized. You'll see in the next couple of videos how it actually looks from beginning to end. So this is somewhere in the middle. I started it. We put up a new shelf for me, painted the shelf a little bit, which you'll see as well. For the most part, this is it. And yeah, so we're going to work on reorganizing this office, this closet space. Okay, so this is how we're starting. We're gonna see how it all turns out when we're done cleaning it up. But right now I even have like some of my decorations down there. Okay, today we're tackling the office storage area. The tree is still up, the lights are still dead on top, and we still have our Christmas decorations up. By the time this is edited and posted though, all this will be gone. Right now, everything is all over the place. I'm watching the Bills game today. We have junk, we have junk, we have junk, we have junk. That's not really junk. It's all the stuff that I had in my little closet here. So far we started everything. You already saw that I was painting this little shelf. I just wanted the outside of it to be white and not wood. I'll be shifting some of this stuff over to this shelf up here. So I don't know about you, but I tend to move things around like 100 times before I decide that this is where I want it. Be prepared. I'm gonna start with our boxes. I do want these up here. This is perfect. You guys, I got some stuff from Amazon. It's gonna go in my office. I'm gonna open it now. I'm really excited. Let's see where I can put you so that you can watch me open it. It's such a mess in here. I don't have anywhere to put you. Let's see. Can we put you on my little cube maybe? I don't know if I'm working, but we'll figure it out. There you go. Okay, here's my first box. I'll open. Ta-da! So excited. Oh, okay. So this is by this, which I'm going to have most likely on my desk. So it's just acrylic. Let me see it. Right? It's perfect. It's 4. Yay! Excited. All right. The lighting in here is hideous. Does that help? Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it dark. Next box is... Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's Wi-Fi. You connect Wi-Fi and you can print little labels. That's what I'm going to put on all the other stuff that's in here. It is a inkless printing, light and portable, instant printing and pasting, and it works with a smart app. Let's open it because I'm really excited about it. So I can make all my labels for all the things that I'm going to put in there. See how I have all those things? I can put labels on it now. And if you're interested, this stuff will be linked below so that you can check it out. It's from Amazon, as you know. I think I already said that. Oh, wait till you see it. Oh my God. It's so cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. Like, I need to hook it up right now. Look, the little USB that you can charge it. They have a little search, scan, QR, download the app. You can download the app for it. But the best part is, okay, can you just stand it? It's pink. It's a little pink one. Isn't it cute? Look at how small fits in your hand. I'm going to charge it, and then I'm going to make some labels when I'm done with my closet. Okay, let's go to the next thing. Oh my God, it's so exciting. So this can go here, and then this, which is, I'm going to open it so you can see. Wait, let me put this over here so that I remember to download the app. I don't know if I need to or not. I'm assuming I do so that I can kind of use it. My little thing opener is downstairs. A little package opener, which I also got from Amazon, which I love. I don't know if you guys have them. It's like a X-Acto knife, but it's plastic, so you can't cut yourself. And it opens up everything. Oh, good God. Friggin' breaking it already. Okay, so it's a 4-drawer. Look at, you know what I'm going to put in there? Probably all of my washi tape. Maybe even some, I don't know. We'll have to see because, like I said, we're rearranging. Oh my God, seriously though. Should I cut that out or leave that one in there? Yeah, so that's going to go in there on the shelf. And we'll stuff it with stuff. And I'll put a little label on it. Oh, with my new label maker. I can't even stand it right now. My mic's still on? Mic check, check, check. Still going, we're still good. Okay, let's continue. Here is going to be, I think, the charging station. So this is where all the equipment's going to be, camera equipment, my tripods, the small ones, those are all in those boxes, my mics, all that good stuff. So all that's going to be on this shelf. And I think I'm going to attach to this shelf down here. You can plug in all your things. So when I'm done, I just put it on here, plug it in, let them charge so that this way everything is always charged. Some more binders and books down here. So for the most part, we're done in here, other than I have to sort all this and figure out where I'm going to put it all. I'm going to go through the cart, and once I have everything out of the cart and organized, that cart is going to go right there in that corner. Then my office will be nicely organized. Okay, so we're stopping for today. I'll see you back tomorrow. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, there's no way that she is going to get all this stuff done, because every time she shows us a video, it's just as messy as it was before. But honestly, it's not. It's really not. Like, let's take a look in here. We now have my little cart in there, which, can you see all the space I have in that thing? I can't wait to fill that up. And I cleaned up my little filing cabinet. And then here, we're slowly but surely getting it done. Like my little area where we're gonna have all, this is the charging station for my Osmo, my regular camera, which is a ZV-1, Sony ZV-1 with the remote and the charging cable. And then right next to it is gonna be my mic, the one that is so great with sound. Like it's amazing that you don't hear anything but you talking. Don't get me wrong, I love my Osmo mic. It's much clearer, I think, and nicer sounding, but when there's a lot of outside noise, I like to use that one. The rest of this stuff is all camera related, all the different cords too, like any cords that I need for charging. And then up here, of course, is going to be all of my washi tape and my stickies and anything to do, like extra pens. I do have a calendar that I keep, and in there I usually, do a lot of washi tape and put some stickers on it and make it all pretty. And sometimes if I have a wall hanging calendar, I do the same. So we are getting there, I swear. It's just, right? Like forever and a day. It's taken forever and a day. This is the wonderful view from my closet. This is everything that's left, and it's really not too bad. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna be done today. We took everything off of the desk so that we can set it up the way we want. in this vase, I'm going to put flowers. Vase, I don't know. What do you call it? I call it a vase. In here, obviously all my pens and pencils. Keyboard will go under there. My mouse at night will go under there as well. And then here I have my iPad and mini iPad. I decided to leave them up here because I do use them often. Nothing is going to be on here except for the things that I use all day, every day. There's one day a week that I take to do all bills, payments, anything like that, and that's all going to be in here. So anything I need for office day or administrative day is going to be in there. We're gotten this far. Let's keep on moving. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. So, a couple of things. Tree's gone. I have my little chair back. I took the little cover off the chair. My plant is gone because it had little buggies in it. I don't even know what they're called, but they were horrible. So I had to get rid of all my plants. I'm very upset. We did a little bit of stuff out here, but again, remember, we're painting it. So all this stuff is gonna come off because we're gonna paint it like a light pink. And I think it's gonna come out really, really nice. So that's just the office here. My little ambiance going on the TV, my desk. I'm gonna have flowers in here. My iPads, my mini and my iPad 12. And then of course my regular desk setup with my desk raised right now. And then I just have my phone charging area, that little tiny plant. Oh, I forgot to move my bottle of water that my daughter got me. Crystals. Yeah, so the desk right now is standing up, or I should say it's in the stand-up position so that I can work at it standing up. I am loving this desk, by the way. It's going to be down in the description if you want to get it. But now the PA resistance, or actually what we organized, right? So let me turn on this little stupid light that we're going to change. This is the after shot. Right now, in my cart, I have my shredding on the bottom. I have my planner and whatever I need on the middle part. And then I have my files and pens and stapler and everything like that. And when I need to, I just pull this baby out. Okay, so that's our little cart. Filing cabinet with all my little magnets, the paint for the office, because that's the color we're going to paint it. Printer, paper, all printing stuff. On top I have my little elephant nightlight that is a wax melt, and right now I have a wonderful scent in there. Yummy, yummy. And then I have my boxes that I have for storage. I have my other little box, and I have some books on the end. And let's go in here. We have all of my stickers, all the stuff that I use in my planner or journaling. And then I have this little shelf, which is really, really cute, just for some items. Right next to it is all the melts that I have for my little elephant. And then back here, I actually have some of my journals, my reading journal and other ones. This is my new little toy. I love this. It's a little label maker. And then the rest of my stuff. Right here is my keyboard for my iPad, and it's resting on that little holder that you can actually put on your desk when you want to work from both, you know, your iPad and your desktop. And then I have some empty notebooks. They come in all different colors. They're really cute. I like them. So I have them here in case I want to grab one. Supplies back here. And then this shelf is going to be where everything gets charged. I still have to get the plug-in that I want to get here so that I can plug all these things in. My Osmo Pocket goes right there. That's why it's empty, because I'm using it. There's a label that I made with my little label maker. That's the charging cord for the label maker in there. Other charging cords, a little mini light, a whole bunch of cords. And I have the shelf down here. This is a keyboard that I sometimes pull out and use with that mouse, my regular, you know, your magic mouse. This is a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. That's where I have all my binders. And that's it. And then this is my office from the closet. I honestly cannot wait to see what it's going to look like pink. I'm so excited about that. Thrilled, I tell you, thrilled. So there it is, finished product. Ta-da! Before and after. You know what happened? Oh my God. This morning, I'm like at my desk, clearing some things off. And I see this like little fuzzy thing. You know how those little like fuzzy things from the dandelions? I know it's outside, but this was inside. And I see out of the corner of my eye, this little fuzzy thing floating down, really slow. My coffee cup's right there. I look over. What the F? It's a spider. I freaked out.